Hi everyone, this is Nida Subaşı. Today we will talk about sneezing. Everybody sneezes, especially in winter months, and this is a very important reflex for us. Sneeze is to expel air forcibly from our mouths and noses in an explosive and involuntary action. The main cause of sneeze is irritation of nasal mucous walls. Nasal means our nose, so if our nostrils feel uncomfortable, we sneeze. Sometimes we will disturb it because of its instant airflow and its noise. In fact, it's very important for our health. Most of us even don't know what it is. Let's learn together. The air in our nostrils heat up and filter the air before it goes in our lungs. Sometimes even a small airflow can activate the nerve cells under the nose hair. When those nerve cells stimulated, we sneeze even if we want or not. Almost all of us sneeze one after another and then another, maybe even 4 or 5 times. This happens when our nose is not cleaned in one time, so we sneeze many times. Do you know that we cannot sneeze while our eyes are wide open? Our body feels so much pain that we don't feel the pain and we just shut our eyes as a reflex. Yes, we cannot keep our eyes open while sneezing. The reason for this is very simple. This, like sneezing, happens involuntarily. I mean, this is a reflex. People usually don't sneeze while sleeping because many nerves are blocked while we are asleep. That's why we cannot sneeze. Very large effects are necessary to sneeze while sleeping, so it's very rare. Let me talk a little about the importance of sneezing. Sneezing helps to get microbes and other foreign particles out of the body, so it's very important for a healthy heart and lung. The fastest recorded sneeze was 103.6 miles per hour. This makes 166.7 kilometers per hour. As you know, people sneeze when they see the sunlight. This is called photic sneezing. Photic means it's related with light. Photic sneeze seems to be a genetic condition, and almost everybody experiences this kind of sneeze. Did you know that animals also sneeze? You can Google for animal sneeze videos. They are adorable. Look at this lovely cuties. Iguanas sneeze more than other animals because, by this way, they balance their salt amount in their bodies. Longest sneeze recorded in England. According to Guinness World Records, Donna Griffiths sneezing for 976 days. Yes, not times, days. It's estimated that she has sneezed 1 million times in just first year. She was 12 years old when she started. God bless you, Donna. I have talking enough. See you in the next videos.